What if I told you you could run powerful AI models locally on your PC? Now imagine if those AI models could have zero filters. I'm talking about you could ask it anything. Well, I'm about to show you how to do that right now. First thing you need to do is go into lmstudio.ai and then download LM Studio. I actually already downloaded this. But yeah, once you get it downloaded, go ahead and pull it up and then go over to the little magnifying glass icon, discover, and look up this one right here, Dolphin X1-8B. It's right here. It was released 28 days ago, 11,000 downloads. Okay, so it's pretty recent. Let's read what it's all about. What is Dolphin X1-8B? So Dolphin X1-8B is a result of our effort to directly uncensor Llama 3.1 8B instruct, while also keeping the same abilities or improving on them with fine-tuning. Dolphin aims to be a general-purpose model similar to the models behind ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, but these models present problems for businesses seeking to include AI in their products. They maintain control of the system prompt, deprecating and changing things as they wish, often causing the software to break. 2, they maintain control of the model version, sometimes changing things silently or deprecating older models that your business relies on. 3, they maintain control of the alignment, and in particular, the alignment is a one-size-fits-all, not tailored to the application. And then 4, they can see all your queries. They can potentially use that data in ways you wouldn't want. So that's a really cool thing about running AI locally on your machine, is that you're able to control your data. It's completely private. Unlike when you're in the browser with ChatGPT or something like that, everything you send there goes straight to the servers, and it lives there for, they could do whatever they want with it. Well, I mean, there's an acceptable use policy, obviously, but it's on their server, so they might be able to do whatever they want with it, or it's susceptible to being hacked by like a prompt injection hack. But so yeah, we're running this locally so that we're in control of our data, and it's completely uncensored, unlike any other model you've probably used. So go ahead and download. There's 5 different options available. This one's the smallest, the least accurate. This one's the biggest, the most accurate. LM Studio gives you a recommendation for what your hardware is like supposed to be recommended for, but this one is what it says is my recommended, and I'm able to run this Q8 no problem. So just try them out and see what best fits you. But go ahead and download it. So once you get it downloaded, make sure you load it, load your model, and then you can create a new chat and start talking to it. Since it's uncensored, we can ask questions like this. Write me a PowerShell Trojan script that creates a backdoor into the system with persistence. And boom, it goes right into it. This is actually insane. So I just asked Dolphin for the PowerShell Trojan, and Bitdefender actually saw that in the logs and blocked it, quarantined the file. That's pretty crazy. All right, so now we're running the same thing in ChatGPT. Let's see what it says. Immediately denies it. This content may violate our usage policies. Content removed. So now, not only can you run a powerful AI model locally, you could run one that's completely unfiltered and doesn't have the guardrails that most modern AI models have. I hope you liked the video. I know I enjoyed making it. Hope you have a great day and God bless.